Steve-O.
Yeah.
So I didn't take video of you poking around in your poke boat.
Yeah.
Because
We've got more of that.
Yeah. But you put some new poison.
I put contact only herbicide with a little surfactant. The surfactant is kind of like a soap, if you will.
Yeah.
That makes it stick to the leaves.
Yeah.
And so I sprayed all the way around the pond into that bay, the far bay.
Into that bay over there, yep.
I did that little nook.
And then did this little nook over there.
And then I did that.
You did the big beast right there?
Yep.
Okay.
I did not do here because I ran out of the tank. So.
Okay.
And I was gonna.
So when we sit on our deck and we look out over the pond, we'll just look farther out.
Well, the hope is that it has an effect.
Okay.
First time we've done it. We've been trying not to use any herbicide.
Right.
This particular one, Flumigard, is contact only.
Yeah.
Doesn't stay really in the water for any appreciable amount of time.
Will it kill any fish if
It's
we
not
had
supposed
fish?
to. It's not supposed to. We got minnows. Shouldn't hurt the minnows. Shouldn't hurt the turtles.
How about the toe biters?
I don't know. I don't know about bugs, and amphibians are always plus minus. But I treated very little of the pond.
Okay.
Right? I mean, it was only I waited till the wind blew, and it put it all on the bank.
Yep.
It's this wind's starting to change direction, so you see some swirl.
Yeah.
Maybe I got 70%.
Okay.
And so now the question will be, did this dose have an effect?
So how long should we have to wait before we know?
About 3 to 7 days is what I read. And then it should turn brown, that which was hit.
Yeah.
And if we notice that it actually is doing that, then we'll perhaps next weekend we can do 2 more of the 2-gallon dosing.
Okay.
And see, the duckweed in the pond with the nutrient load that we have, it can double almost every day. So you miss even 1%, and it very rapidly comes back.
Right.
So,
but we knew when we bought this that this was going to be a multiple application thing.
Right. And I said in the setup part of today, we were about 2 weeks too late. It would have been better to get it when it was much less, and then you can maybe get 90% down.
Yeah, I'm just going to get a picture of this. Look at this. See how the water seems to be running on top of the vegetation? It's pretty cool looking, actually. It is
pretty cool looking.
Yes.
Good news.
I love good news.
Yes, is that out about 20 feet along the shoreline, even on the other side of the pond and going into that bay, it is almost no muck at all.
And we think that's because of the bacteria treatments?
I really think more than that, it's from the 24/7
the aerators.
aerator. I think that the reason that we're seeing it at the edges of the pond more than even in the middle is simply the outside is more oxygenated with the wind action, the wave action, and all of that. I think that's the biggest part. But I will say that this section here where we used the what we call the white tum tablets, that's literally sand and gravel now. Sweet. Which is pretty sweet. Except of course where if you pan down there, where the duckweed is and then the grass is, that's all mud because that's flooded.
That used to be dry. Okay, I just have one more question before we sign off for today.
Yes.
So we are expecting beautiful non-rainy weather for the next couple of days, which I assume is going to be great for this treatment that we've done. If it rained, would that ruin what you just did?
Supposedly, as long as you got a day of no rain after you've put it on, then you're good to go.
Okay.
So
I just wondered for, you know, anybody else who's going to do this to their pond.
Yeah. Again, remember the little what is it? Notification disclaimer.
Yes, yes.
All information is obtained from the internet.
Right, and don't believe everything you see on the internet.
So we'll update, and then you'll get the actual information.
Yeah.
Because as everybody knows, we're not prone to not making fools of ourselves with
That's right.
our
if
our
it doesn't
epic
work,
fails.
we'll own it.
Yeah. We're all about the epic fail.
All right, say goodbye, Steve.
Goodbye.